Fitting.
Folks, I have to once again defend myself against the spurious claims from McDonald Mac Gargan, aka the Scorpion. Yes, as I fully disclosed, I bankrolled the experiment that gave him superior strength, speed, and that unsightly cyborg tail. The idea was to create an anti-Spider-Man who is not a threat and stops menaces. I had no idea he was crazy. Do you think his resume said psycho with a poisoning fetish? His lawsuit is a transparent attempt to reduce his sentence at the raft by placing the blame for his deeds on me. And that is one package J. Jonah Jameson refuses.
Civilians are trapped inside their vehicles following a crash.
Supposedly, Fisk made his fortune selling these spices. I mean, they're good, but not that good. That car crash looks bad. Hope no one's injured. Okay, still need to rescue the trapped civilians. I've got you! How's everyone? Thought I was here to help.
Saved my life. Thank you.
Attention units, robbery in progress. Suspects are armed. Please proceed to Columbia.
Gentlemen, afraid I've got to ask you to leave the store. Good old-fashioned holdup. Vintage crime stopping right there. Probably better if I'm not here when the cops arrive.
Lights back. Move left.
Alright. That's enough of the cheap knockoff Spider-Man impersonator.
Yuri, this place is full of Fisk guys with suspicious bulges. Guns. I'm talking about guns. Obviously.
I can't order a raid over bulges.
Just a hunch, but there might be a public disturbance pretty soon.
Damn it! He must have snuck in! If I was you, I wouldn't want to. Guys, over here! Some extra eyes over here. Lead the way. I've got you. Might be nothing. Might not be. Checking it out. Picking us off one by one. What the hell is this stuff made of? Some respect. Come on! That's not fair! Flank him!
orderly line. I promise I'll arrest everyone.
Not a chance in hell, buddy. Done now. What do we got to do against that? Not walking away from that.
It's sad that when I see a mob rushing toward me, I assume they want to kill me. But they always do.
Take cover! Oh, hell no!
Spider-Man. Every worker assigned to that site reported winning big in Atlantic City recently.
Quick and dirty way to launder money. Could be where Fisk keeps his cash these days.
We shut it down, we'll really put the squeeze on him. I'm working on a warrant.
Way ahead of you.
How is he beating us? Get these webs off me! Kick his ass! Duck!
Reinforcements! Great! I was getting kind of sick of these other guys.
Got it! Don't let him web you! This is the boss! You asked for this! Ouch! That was painful!
More of them! Find someone who cares about you like Willie's guys care about getting kicked in the face, and you'll be golden!
Stop already! You still got this! Hey, you die! Got a present for ya! Yeah, got him! Don't even think about doing that to me! I'll teach you some respect! Flank him!
Your people won't have any problems here now.
And Wilson Fisk's problems just keep adding up. Nice going.
I've always been about the truth. When I was a reporter and a newspaper publisher, I printed the truth. And now as a broadcaster, I speak. Sometimes it hurts. But it's my responsibility to bring it to you. And the truth is, the city is not quiet. It is not peaceful. It is a disaster waiting to happen. Threats roiling under the surface like a hungry shark just beneath the waterline. Don't let Spider-Man fool you. You are not safe. None of us are.
Need backup for a vehicle pursuit in progress. Officers needed in Portside. Over.
MJ wrote this article in the school paper about student protests. She was a heck of a journalist even then.
Been this close to Spider-Man before.
Captain, I've got eyes on a Fisk construction site and their equipment's covered in dust.
Just there for show?
That's my bet. I'm gonna take a closer look.
They think the boss can't run things from inside?
Boss. A lot of people owe him a lot of favors, that's for sure.
I thought he was buddies with the mayor.
They work together. Boss doesn't trust him.
Right, not.
If what I hear is true, pretty soon Osborn's gonna wish he remembered who his friends are.
Keep an eye out for Spider. Off the guys he busts. Oh, okay, I gotta give it to him. That's a pretty sweet racket.
Can I get an autograph? I got it! I got a picture!
Check in, Echo 3. Echo 3, no response. Someone check on him. I'm on it. Clear.
sorry, but we're all out of the complimentary donuts!
I can't punch him if he's in the air! Bring him down already! Today, you die! Bring him down already! Chew on this! Look out! Can't let him beat us!
Guys, slow down! The Black Friday special's not till Thanksgiving!
Spider-Man, that site's taken delivery of enough concrete to build 2 skyscrapers.
Wait, don't tell me. They're hiding drugs in the concrete mix.
That's my theory. We'll need probable cause to get on site to confirm it.
You'll have it.
Regret that! You're fine! On down! Fisk will have our ass if we don't take him down! Like that, Spider-Man?
10 more! No shoving! I'll give you all personal attention!
Dig in! You gotta stop him! Let's go! Bastard! Go back down! You're gonna have a bad day!
Reinforcements! Okay, I came here to web bad guys and quip, and I'm all out of quip!
I'll rock you! Get it off! Stop playing around! Take cover!
Captain, I've got Fisk's guys and all the probable cause you need, webbed up and waiting.
Good job. Fisk thinks he can run things from inside, but he's gonna find out why long-distance relationships don't work out.
notify.
All units, we've got another break-in in progress. Officers near Devil's Shelf, please report to the scene.
Get ready, folks, because this is a bombshell. We have on the line a lady whose husband was kidnapped by Spider-Man.
What? No, you've got it all wrong. My husband was kidnapped by criminals who shoved him into the trunk of a car. Spider-Man!
What's in here? Get it! Can't hit him up there! He's mine! Come on, guys, we're better than this!
So, you're all going to jail, where I bet you'll be as good at breaking out as you were at breaking in.
Local units, we've got reports of a mugging. Officers, please converge on Longacre.
That's a holdup. Oh, it is on. And no more muggers. Ah, I love a happy ending.
Side of the Brooklyn-Queens Expressway near Atlantic Avenue. Please respond code 2. 10-4 will notify once we're on.
Spidey. Don't worry about it.
At the Manhattan Bridge at Flatbush Avenue.
Curbside service. More of them? For criminals, these guys have an impressive social circle.
I'll crush you! Hell no!
Gotta give that wheelman props. Manhattan rush hour is no joke.
Get out of here, Spider-Man. We'll handle it.
Yo, Spider-Man, we don't need you. We got enough problems as it is.
I have no idea.
Take it easy, fake Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Guys, the network. The morning show with Spider-Man.
All units 1030. Armed robbery in progress. Witness reported location as the yards.
When the vulture cracked my eye lens, it almost blinded me. That was a wake-up call. Had to upgrade to a stronger material. Gentlemen, afraid I've got to ask you to leave the store. Good old-fashioned holdup. Vintage crime stopping right there.
Just look natural, huh?
I called you guys a ride. It'll be the one with the flashing red and blue lights.
Whoa! Look out, dude! Real Spidey'd never be so clumsy.
The jammer I whipped up to jam Vulture's wings. Too bad he improved them after that.
Available units? Possible narcotics sale reported.
How does it work? Just like a natural arm. You think of what you want it to do, and...
Yes. Hey, what do you think you're doing?
This site's been declared a safety hazard.
Stop that right now! This is highly sensitive equipment. That's it. I'm calling the mayor's office directly.
Peter Parker, how the hell are you?
Speak of the devil.
Mr. Osborn.
Oh, please. How long have we known each other? It's Mr. Mayor. It's Norman.
Norman, what do you think you're doing?
The grant agreement you signed has strict safety provisions. This isn't your first violation.
Those were excused.
By me. We should have confiscated this equipment long ago.
But I've had a breakthrough.
Thank you for your great service to our country. These folks will escort you to Oscorp Robotics, where you'll receive the latest in prosthetics. No charge.
This isn't about safety infractions, is it?
I'm trying to help you, Otto. You're free to continue your work in a secure environment.
At Oscorp.
You always were the smartest guy in the room.
You haven't changed a bit.
Neither of you. Hey, Peter. Harry will be coming back from Europe early next year. Maybe the two of you can start that business you always talked about. This is opportunity knocking.
Easy. They didn't take everything. Maybe we could start over.
Peter, there's no we. Without the grant from the city, I can no longer pay you. I need some time to think. If I were you, I'd look for a new job.
Wish I could do something to help Doc. Maybe call Harry. Ask him to talk to his dad. No. Norman never listens to Harry. Even tried to kill funding for his research stations. Hey, one of those stations is nearby. Should see how they're doing while Harry's in Europe. Must...
Peter. Oh, Peter. Don't even know why I'm bothering to record this. Norman has neutered us, and soon the lab will be out of funds. We were on the verge of such great things. If we had just a bit more time and money, I know all the ideas in our heads would have come pouring. Wait. Ideas in our heads. My God, Peter, that's it!
Running tests on carbon nanotube biocompatibility. decent candidate for a direct tissue interface, but I feel like we can do better. Graphene. But the structure is super unique. What is this? Oh, awesome! It's been nano-latticed. Wow, that's strong. Could be a great structural element for a prosthetic.
Damn it! Why do I keep repeating the same mistake over and over? Norman Osborn cannot be trusted. In matters large and small, if Norman has the chance to profit off another man's loss, he'll take it. It's infuriating. Someday I'll turn the tables. I'll teach Norman what it is to feel helpless and small.
Doc must have more history with Norman than he shared. Ugh. How do you know we lost our grant money? Just taste the new coffee. Man, I remember the first day I interviewed here. Showed up with stains on my shirt, 10 minutes late from stopping a mugging. Still can't believe Doc hired me. Hope he doesn't regret it now. Okay, should check out Harry's research station when I get a chance. Must be some way to help Doc. I'll think of something.
Now, a lot of people ask me what I think of Mayor Osborn, but what matters is what you think. Let's ask our...
Harry left me a message about these before he left for Europe.
Pete, hey, I need a favor. My mom's pet project was research stations that could benefit the public. Now, I launched them, but now that I'm away, Oscorp's gonna shut them down unless they prove their value. I was hoping you could watch them. I left details in each one. Thanks, man. As long as they're here, it's like a part of my mom is, too.
Well, it's not gonna pay the bills, but it sounds like it means a lot to him. I'll do what I can to help.
I've got a couple stations measuring air pollution. The idea is to catch the, contaminants before they reach toxic levels. Between you and me, I think Oscorp wants this to fail because it might show they're polluting.
The amount of polycyclic hydrocarbons in the air is way too high. And rising. If it keeps getting worse, people could die. The particles are concentrating in trouble spots, like mini clouds of smog. I'll swing through them and get samples, then trace them to the source. Nasty as they are, I gotta swing right through those clouds. For these clouds to be visible to the naked eye, the level of toxins must be up there. And gotcha! I'm getting some good stuff. Well, good samples of bad stuff, anyway. Got it. Oh! Feels like I'm breathing from a tailpipe. I must be freaking these people out. What else is new? Huh. The toxin's coming from 2 types of cars, and a faulty smokestack. I better get photos. Great light on that one. Perfect. best smokestack picture I ever took. The Department of Environmental Protection will take it from here. Maybe I should make a green spider costume for Earth Day. Well, Harry's station just stopped a public health crisis. Oscorp's gonna have a hard time arguing it's not useful.